What's up, guys? What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to the channel. You guys, I just wanted to do this quick little video, okay? Because I know I made a video, I did a story time, right, about how I bought a bad car from this dealership and how they tried to get me. Like, they sold me this car and they was like, it's sold as is. Anyway, y'all stay tuned, okay? I'm gonna be right back and I'm about to tell you guys what to do. Okay, if you go to a dealership and you purchase a vehicle, anyway, I'm gonna come back, okay, and I'm gonna tell you guys what to do if you go to a dealership and you purchase a vehicle and you can't drive it. Okay, I'm back, y'all. Like I said, you guys, I did make a video before. I did a story time, and I was talking about the time that I went to a dealership and I purchased a vehicle, and they basically tried to pull one over on me, right? Like, so I'm gonna make it quick, and then I'm gonna get to what to do once, if it ever happens to you, what to do. So basically, long story short, I went to this dealership, I purchased the vehicle. The vehicle was sold as is, right? So I purchased an additional warranty for the vehicle because there was no warranty. So I purchased an additional warranty. So the day that I went home, right before I made it home, my vehicle, it started smoking, it started overheating. And so I called the dealership and I'm like, yo, my car's overheating, like I can't even drive it. And they were like, oh, well, we sold it as is, we can't do nothing about it. And they was like, maybe call the warranty place. So I called the warranty place and they told me that I couldn't use the warranty because it was too new. Like, basically they were telling me like you had to have the car for at least 30 days or so before you can even use the warranty. Like, you can't use it right now, you just got it today. So blew my mind, right? So I'm like, okay, oh hell no. Now mind you guys, I think I was watching like Judge Judy. I don't know what I was watching, you guys, but I was watching something and I remember them saying a limit law. So I peeped, right? I peeped the game and I was like, okay, that's what's up. Like, I'm gonna keep that in the back, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep it in my memory bank just in case I need to pull it out. Just in case I need to pull it out. So that's what I did. I'm like, Arizona limit law. Okay, there's no way. So I was Googling and then I called a number. I think I called like a lawyer's number or something. I don't remember, right? But she was like, okay, they told me to contact the Attorney General's office and to put a claim via email, to send a claim. That's what started the process. Okay, so that's what I did. So I went and I went online, I filed my formal complaint, and the Attorney General's office sent the complaint, or I don't think they sent the complaint. I don't think they sent my complaint. I think they just got in touch with them. Basically what they did was, my Attorney General's office here in Arizona, they got in touch with this business and they were like, you cannot do this. You need to fix this lady's car. So the company called me and was like, oh, we're gonna come pick the car up, we're gonna fix it for you. And I'm like, okay, great. So they took the car, they said that they fixed it, but when I got the car back, it was doing the same thing. But before I was even able to see if the car was fixed or not, they had already wrote back to the Attorney General's office and said that they had satisfied blah 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 blah. I wrote back like, no, they did not. My car is still not working. The car is still doing the same thing that it was doing, blah, 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 blah. And I did what I did. So they, again, got in touch with the car company and was like, bro, what are you doing? You need to fix this for this lady. Like, you can't do that. Like, the attorneys generals are here for consumers. They're here for us, the people that go and make these purchases from these businesses. And they selling you some bullshit. That's what they're here for. They're here for you. You need to utilize that. So they send them a message again, like the car's not fixed or whatever. So they came and picked the car back up. A couple of days later, they was like, oh, well, we'll have it to you in a couple of days. I called when it was supposed to be ready and they were like, oh, ma'am, well, we're just going to go ahead and give you the money back because we can't fix the car. So you tried to do me. You tried to do me. What? Anyway, so I'm like, okay, great, thank you so much. So I got my money back and that was that. So if you ever find yourself in a position to where you go to the dealership, you buy this car and it's a defective vehicle, you need to contact your attorney general's office because they're going to do something about it. Now, it does only cover, it has to be like within like 30 days. I don't know exactly what it was, but my shit it wasn't working the same day I bought it. So I'm 2 days in now and I already got my complaint in. Like, but I believe it's like within so many miles of you driving the car and so many months of you having a car, you have to file the complaint. Or, you know, if it has to be within a time frame. You can't go buy a used car and then 2 years later, like, oh, it's not working, and then think that you're gonna go, you know what I'm saying, and get a new, whatever you think you're gonna do, it's not gonna happen. You can't buy no car, have it for 2 years, and then think that you're gonna go complain to these people and say that they sold you a lemon. No, they didn't. You done had that car, and they sold me a lemon. That car did not even work. So I was out of all my money, and still I didn't have a car to drive. So that was absolutely a lemon, and they absolutely had me messed up. They absolutely had me messed up because I thought that was crazy. I thought that was so crazy. So I bought this car and I purchased an additional warranty, and I can't use the warranty or drive the car. So what? You can't do that. So that's my advice. If you ever have a car, or if you ever go to a dealership and you purchase a vehicle from a dealership and it's defective or you can't fucking drive it, contact your state's attorney general's office. And they should do something about it. They should definitely do something about it, but you got to be quick about it. You can't, you know what I'm saying? You can't wait. Especially if you buy this car. If you buy a car and it don't fucking work, that's a lemon. That's a lemon. You guys, that's what I did. And I'm just trying to, you know what I'm saying, help a friend and help a friend. I'm just trying to help somebody else out. Like, people are not allowed to do that. You're not allowed to do that to people. And I think that that's crazy. And that's what they asked us to get, because you know what? They really tried to get me. They really tried to get me. Now, if I did not know shit about shit, I would have just been stuck with the car out of fucking money. No, I'm sorry. Not me. But anyways, yeah, guys, that was it. And that's pretty much it. That's all I gotta say for that. But anyways, you guys, y'all go ahead and make sure y'all subscribe to this channel, okay? Because I will be back with some more advice, little things, little random shit that people might need. Little random whatever, okay? Whatever. If I know something and I feel like I want to put it out because more people should know about it, or it could help somebody, you know what I'm saying, that's what I'm gonna do. So y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel, become a part of the gang, you feel me, because it's a Ryan gang thing. Anyways, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.